Alright guys, how's it going? A very quick Blender Octane tutorial for you today, and I'm using the polygon side node. Now what does this mean? So I have a plane, so it's essentially one polygon. You can see here the front is white and the back is black, and this is because it uses a value of 1 and 0. So this is piped directly into the albedo. Now we can start to play around with this and start to obviously kind of develop it a little bit further. So let's drop down like a gradient map. And just so we can see what we're doing, we'll just select these colours and we'll just make them very bright. Something like a green, and on the white, we'll make this something like a red. So the front is now red and the back should be green. And obviously we can start to elaborate on this, and it does save, I suppose it maybe saves resources if you don't want to double polygon counts, or you just want to show like a face and a back or something. There is loads of use cases for it. Right now I can't think of any. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to quickly drop down, we'll just drop down 2 images, so we'll just use these as a working example. And we can mix this together, so obviously we can use something like a mixed texture node. So let's go to mix. We can put the texture out from the polygon side into the amount, and we can just put this into first and second, and then we can just put this right into albedo. And as you can see, we have 2 different textures on one-sided polygon. It could come in handy, I don't know. Anyway, do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, you know what to do. Take care.